Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are having a fantastic day. Today is a great day. You know why it's a great day? Because we have the newest Ridge wallet lineup in front of us with some of their new matching key cases as well. And also great news. Ridge is actually having their 11th year anniversary sale right now where you guys can pick these up and take advantage of that. Now, as we get into the video, just like all my videos, top link in the description box right below the video will be the exact link to take you over to see these wallets. And with that direct link, you can get up to 30% off of your purchase, whatever you order. Now that sale is happening until April 1st. Now, Ridge wallets are also not only for men, they also have come up with a really nice lineup for the ladies as well. We'll take a look at these a little closer in just a second. We have a really cool flower pattern with a matching key case, as well as this color scheme right here as well. Flower power color scheme. And this one was the daisy drink. Now they also have a new lineup of the Ridge leather wallets. This is the natural color. And let's see what we have inside the box right here. So we got our little Ridge brochure. We got a nice little new Ridge sticker. And take a look at that beautiful bad boy right there. We also have a screwdriver as well as additional screws for your wallet there. Now before we do load it up, take a look at the inside. Brushed metal on the inside, looking absolutely beautifully sharp. Here's the cash strap. I do want to show it to you without cards and cash in it first, and then we'll show you with it loaded up here. Again, a nice cash strap with some traction little knobs there, and that is an elastic band that goes around, and then you have the beautiful natural leather on the front. Very, very gorgeous. Now Ridge does offer a money clip accessory, so if you want to switch that out, use your provided screwdriver and go ahead and switch out the band for a money clip. Again, that's an added accessory. Okay, now we're loaded up here. Obviously, this is the internet, so I'm not going to show my cards on the internet, but let's go ahead and take a look. First and foremost, you have your cash on the back. I fold them up in like thirds, tuck it under the cash strap as we can see right there. That is nice and secure, not going anywhere on you there. And then I have all my cards loaded up in the middle here. So again, what I do is I just grab it like this. I just put it up with my thumb right there. And then what I like to do is my most used card on the front or my most used card on the back. And that's as easy as it is to get it out and get it up. So let's go ahead and show you my back one here. I just want to make sure my license doesn't come out. So there's my Costco card right there. So again, most used card on the front or back is probably going to be the most convenient for you, sliding it back in. Of course, you can pull them all out, sift through them, and then put them back in your wallet, just like we can see right there. Very sharp looking wallet. Okay, now skipping over to one of the ladies' wallets right here, take a look at this. They actually give you a beautiful money clip already. And again, that's an elastic band money clip that you can go ahead and hook on in there with your provided screwdriver and switch that out for your convenience there, as we can see. Also comes with your brochure and a sticker as well. Screwdriver, screws, etc. Same thing in the bottom. And let's take a closer look at that. Beautiful coloring right there. Ridge, flower power, flipping it around. Beautiful colors on the front and back. And we have all my cards loaded up in the middle there. Cash underneath my strap right there. Same method applies to all their wallets. Again, just bringing it up and grabbing your most used card off the front or back, or sifting through the entire stack. All right, the matching key case looking absolutely fantastic here, as we can see, with different rings. And the key case, as we can see right here. So you have a little hook on the end there. You have a little belt clip if you want right there as well. And then just like the Ridge wallet, the keys push out like this. And then you can have all your different keys inside. And so that's a really nice little feature there with the key case as well, to be able to match your wallet. Now, I actually took my Ridge wallet to Bentonville on my mountain biking trip last year. Obviously not this particular one, but I had it in my mountain biking shorts. Did a great job. I didn't have to carry around any bulky wallet. Went up to the coffee shop. Boom, there you go. Let me get some macaroons and a coffee to go. Hit the sidewalk, laid it out there. People were looking at it. They were looking at it. And just real briefly, here is the Daisy Dream with a black money clip and a black money band right there, as we can see. That is a really cool color as well. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Mopane Wood New Ridge wallet, which is Absolutely stunning. Black screws, Ridge logo on top with this beautiful wood look to it, as we can see. Flipping it around to a back black cash strap. Money hooked in right here. Of course, cards in the middle, as we can see. That is a beautiful color. And lastly, the forged carbon with the matching key case, as we can see right here, all blacked out, looking stunning. Forged carbon, look at that. It's not, the light's not doing that justice. Beautiful coloring. Flipping it around, all blacked out, cash strap, black screws, black logo, cards in the middle. Beautiful, beautiful new coloring. Okay, folks, once again, take advantage of Ridge's 11th year anniversary sale. Use my link, top link in the description box below. Again, that will get you up to 30% off of whatever you purchase, up to 30%. Now that sale is happening until April 1st. Enjoy the new colors, ladies. Enjoy the new colors, guys. Get a key case. Check out their accessories. I also have other colors, but you're going to have to wait for another video for that one. And again, I want to thank Ridge for sponsoring this video. And if you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, also subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I'm making a video about. But if you do have the cash and these wallets intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on away. Once again, top link in the description box below the video will be the direct link. Go check them out. We'll see you on the next video, guys. Take care for now. Bye-bye.